So today we will discuss about the functions and the relations. So firstly, what is a function? So function is a relationship between two coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. So here you can see there are so many ways to represent a function. We can represent in the form of order pair. In the table we're having x and y values, the graphical method to represent the x and y value, and we can also represent a function in the form of equation, and also in mapping diagram, where this diagram, the first set of numbers represents x-axis and the other set of numbers represents y-axis. And also there is a very important note of the relationship between the function. So the function is a special kind of relation in which every x value has only a unique y value. If we don't have a unique y value, then you will say it's not a function, it's just a relation. For example, here you can see if you can see this diagram, this is a mapping diagram of x-axis and y-axis, y values, x values and y values. And here you can see for every x value there is only one y value. For 0 it is only -1, for 1 it's only 1, and for similarly for all the x values there is only one image of the of one picture or one object. Okay, so we can say this is a correct example of a function. So we can say this is a function because here we have unique y values, so that's why it is a function. And if you look at this graph, here you can see for every x values we have a unique y value, so this graph is also a function. And okay, let's have these some examples. If you look at the relation, so it doesn't matter if the y values is unique or not for the relation, because we know that every function is a relation but every relation is not a function. And this is a graphical things, we will talk about it later, but let's have a look here at this one. For -3 the y value is 4, for -2 the y value is 6, and for -1 the y value is 9, and for x equals 0 y value is 2. So here you can see for every x value y values are unique. So that means we can say that this relation is also a function. Okay, this relation is also a function. And if you look at this one, if you look at this relation for when x is equals to 1, and also it is giving you two y values, 5 and 3. For when x is equals to 1, it is giving you two images. So it's not possible in function, so that's why we can say it's not a function. Okay, so it's not a function anymore.